ना सबूत है ना दलील है, मेरे साथ रब्बे जलील है. Rabba is God. We firmly believe that if we do something strongly, we do something with a pure heart, things get done. We don't do it. Somebody else gets it done through you. That is what I felt throughout my 37 years. If you allow yourself to be that instrument of God, so many good things can happen. If you feel that I have done it, you become arrogant. That arrogance brings your downfall. God waits for right moment, right instrument. Allow yourself to be the pencil of God, as Mother Teresa used to say. If you allow yourself the pencil of God, God will write through you. That is my firm conviction in my 37 years. So many good things will get done through you if you allow yourself. As collector, so many good things, so many things one could achieve. So many people can be helped if you allow that feeling in you. So I am indeed fortunate that in these 37 years, I had the great opportunity. When we chose this public service, we decided, yes, we are here as a service, as a public service to serve the public, not to make money. Money was never a consideration. There are other corporate sectors which will offer 10 times or 20 times the salary that we got. I used to always joke in Warangal, the panwala which sits outside the collector's bungalow, collector's office, he would be earning much more. So, but why people used to come to the collector? Because they have innate faith that this man will do something to help you, and helps it. If you try to help, it will get done. That is my firm conviction.
हो धरमीते धीर हो करमीते भीर हो उन्नत शिर नहीं भय हो धरमीते धीर हो करमीते भीर हो उन्नत शिर नहीं भय ভুলিবে দাবেদ জ্ঞান হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में वीर रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना.
When you prepare this civilian army, as it were, for the country I think is in safe hands.
নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উত্থান জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয়.
When you take a decision, remember the face of the poorest man, whether it's going to help him or her or harm him. That is the eventual test, yardstick with which you can judge.
रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में भी रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना. ভুলিবে দাবেদ জ্ঞান হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয়.
For India to aspire to the superpower, all of us need to make things happen in their respective fields. How will you facilitate that process? How will you help in that process? Is up to you.
বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয়.
This service of IAS, IPS, these are all nomenclatures which do not matter to the country. What matters that all of us are serving the country. All of us are serving the people of this country.
हो धर्मीते धीर हो करमीते